Hi, my name is Mel, and the following video will explore the CIA triad, which is confidentiality, integrity, and availability, which is the modern model for information security. It covers the three core principles of confidentiality, integrity, and availability, and the crucial roles in protecting data. So we will begin with introducing the CIA triad and its evolution. Then we'll dive into each principle: confidentiality, integrity, and availability, discussing techniques, threats, and mitigation strategies. Finally, we'll look at how to implement the CIA triad in practice with best practices and real-world examples. Understanding the CIA triad is as essential as it forms the basis for security policies and controls. This section covers its definition, historical concept, and the role in contemporary cybersecurity frameworks. The CIA triad, as we've already said, stands for confidentiality, integrity, and availability. These principles guide how organizations protect sensitive information and ensure reliable, trustworthy systems. Each principle addresses a critical aspect of cybersecurity defense. The CIA triad originated as a simple model for security but has evolved to address complex threats and technologies. Understanding its history helps appreciate how it adapts to current cybersecurity challenges. Modern cybersecurity frameworks such as NIST and ISO embedded the CIA triad principles to design comprehensive security strategies. It serves as a foundation for risk management and compliance standards globally. Confidentiality ensures data is accessed only by authorized individuals. This section explores techniques and real-world examples related to preserving confidentiality. Key techniques include access controls, user authentication, and data classification. This helps limit information exposure and prevent unauthorized access. Encryption converts data into unreadable formats for unauthorized users, while access controls restrict permissions based on roles. Together they form a strong defense for confidentiality. Encryption, numerous breaches highlight the consequences of weak confidentiality measures. Studying these incidences form better security practices and awareness. Integrity focuses on maintaining the accuracy and trustworthiness of data throughout its life cycle. This section covers its methods to protect and verify data integrity. Techniques include implementing strict change controls, regular audits, and validation checks to detect and prevent unauthorized data modifications. Hashing generates unique fingerprints for data, auditing track changes, and checksums detect errors. These tools help verify data has not been altered maliciously or accidentally. Threats include malware, insider threats, and software bugs. Mitigation involves layered security controls, monitoring, and incident response planning to uphold data integrity. Availability guarantees authorized users can access information and systems when required and needed. This section examines techniques to maintain availability and counter threats. Methods include load balancing, so between multiple servers, fault tolerance, and clustering to ensure continuous service and minimize any downtime. These strategies help create duplicate systems or data backups so that operations can continue smoothly during failures or disasters. Denial of service attacks disrupt availability by overwhelming resources. Understanding the impacts helps organizations implement effective defenses and response plans. This section focuses on applying the CIA triad principles effectively through policies, balancing priorities, and learning from practical examples. Developing clear security policies, regular training, and ongoing risk assessments are crucial to enforce the CIA triad principles within organizations. Sometimes principles conflicts such as between confidentiality and availabilities. So organizations must find the right balance to meet business and security need. And another thing that will come into conflict is security and usability and security and cost. So all of these have to be balanced, okay? Examining real-world cases and adhering to standards like ISO 27001 demonstrate how the CIA triad is applied to protect critical assets. So in conclusion, the CIA triad remains a fundamental framework for cybersecurity, guiding efforts to protect data confidentiality, integrity, and maintaining availability. Understanding and implementing these principles is key to building resilience and secure systems. Thank you for your time.